Welcome, little explorers! It's time for a magical journey through Toyland Safari, where we'll discover the ABCs alongside our favorite toys and adorable animals. Are you eager to dive into a world of fun and learning? Let's embark on this exciting adventure together.
A for airplane.
B for ball.
C for car. D for doll.
E for elephant.
F for frog. G for guitar. H for helicopter. I for ice cream truck. J for Jack in a Box. K for kite.
L for lion.
M for monkey. N for nesting dolls.
O for owl. P for puzzle. Q for quilt. R for robot. S for ship.
T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for wagon. X for xylophone.
Y for yo-yo.
Z for zebra. Great job! We've learned our ABCs with fun toys from A to Z. Playing with toys is not only fun but helps us learn too. Thanks for joining us. Bye bye, friends.